Good morning from the Efteling. We're back here for our second day. If you watched our first vlog, you would have seen all of our reactions to rides like Baron, Dance Macabre, Yollis and the Drac, and it is actually a late open again. We're in here for our hotel early access. Baron is still yet to open, but it is now cycling, so I think we might wait it out. If you do want to watch the first vlog from here from Efteling with all our reactions, you can watch that in the top right, but we're going to stand by here, I think, and maybe we have to get on Baron and try and get a few laps with no queue. Amelia's back, of course. I'm not by myself. Let's go. Efteling day 2. I cannot wait. Baron was running really well. Time for the new for 2026 ride, Hugmod, I think is how you say it. It's basically 3 drop towers like Fire and Ice in the UK, or Windmill Towers. Looks alright. Go it now while it's got no queue. So the new drop tower Hugmod was quite fun, and then we walked straight onto the Flying Dutchman, I think it is in English. I'm going to try and pronounce it in Dutch, and it was really, really good. I had absolutely no idea what to expect. So if you're coming here to Efteling, go on it without knowing what happens, because that was pretty wild, to be honest. I had a lot of fun with that. The coaster section was quite rough, but it's made by a manufacturer called Kumba. I've never heard of them before, so I give it the benefit of doubt, because it was actually still quite a lot of fun there. But Hollander, really, really good. Last coaster done off the trip. Now it's time for lots of re-rides on Yollis and the Drac. I'm pretty sure it's on a 0-minute wait, so we get plenty of rides on that. Amelia, what do you think of Hollander?
So cool.
Yeah, it was good. It was really, really good. And here it comes as well. Every time we go on Yollis, it just makes me want to have a wooden coaster in the UK. Sorry, wooden coaster in the south of the UK even more. And we've stopped in this eatery place, and we've got a Oreo frap. So Amelia, give us a taste test, because we didn't do any food reviews yesterday. Nice.
It's nice. You taste the coffee.
Taste the coffee. Which, yeah, we need coffee. We're running on low at the moment. We went all out yesterday. We are quite tired, but lovely Oreo frap here. €6.10, so about £5 for this frap. It looks very, very nice. What in the jolly rocker? Well, we all know if Intamin was to make a swinging ship, it'd be the best thing ever. That was by far the best swinging ship I've done. Cycle was really, really good. Sat in the middle as well. If we did that on the front or the back later, it'd be even better. Amazing. The absolute sleeper hit ride from yesterday was 100% Vogel Rock. So we're going again. It's pretty much a station wait. Let's get a few laps on this. Vogel Rock is definitely the sleeper hit here for me at Efteling. It's a lot of fun. We might have to use our ERT, last ERT tomorrow for that maybe. Now we're going to go on this carnival thing. I don't know what it is, but we'll find out. Look at this guy. What is this? Oh no, it's a small world. Oh no. Can't see us, but we just got stuck for about 2 minutes on this small world thing. I think we might be going insane. Yes. I don't know if you can hear music, but it's getting annoying. That was a ride. So another little food review here. We've got a black truffle and parmesan hot dog. I don't usually eat stuff like this, but it was only €6.50, so about a fiver after all sort of like conversion rates and stuff. Don't usually eat stuff like this, but we'll give it a go, and then we're going to head straight on to Dance Macabre. First bite. 8 out of 10. Millie, how's your plain hot dog? How many out of 10?
Standard hot dog, so 10.
It's better than rollover. It's still the best ride at Efteling, and it might be better than Rise of the Resistance. I'm not sure yet, but I think if I do a couple more times, it might top it. It's
insane.
I'm still seeing new stuff now. It's incredible. There we go on the steam train here at Efteling. I wanted to film Python going around its layout, but it's on the lift, and we're going to be going past it before it finishes that really long lift. There's some lovely views, looking like we're going to get around here through the back of the park from a different perspective, so I can't wait. train was nice to get some good views, and now we're going to do Hollander again. We walked straight onto this earlier, so at least it's going to give us... how's your cheese snack? Nice, we just had one of these. It's like £2 and 3p in like GDP, so not too bad. But we didn't get a chance to appreciate the queue line for this earlier, so at least with the 20-minute standby line, we get to have a nice little look at it and get on a good water coaster as well. This water coaster behind me here, I know it's my first water coaster, so I might be a bit biased towards it because something I've never really seen before. But nobody gives this enough credit. This is a really, really well-themed attraction. Well, I've never seen anyone give it credit. It's a really well-themed attraction, great coaster section. We're gonna go on Baron again, I think now. Just had our first go on Baron in the middle seats on the front row, and that was running really, really well. It's a great B&M. Really bringing you the most exclusive. How much was it in pounds?
In pounds, it was £13.60.
£13, about 15-16 euros for 2 chocomels and this lovely slice of like bread pizza as well. I've never had anything like this before. We're really giving you the premium footage today with all these foods. I think we might be in a little bit too much, but you know. And they say, as I say, when in Efteling, no, that doesn't sound right. When in Rome, even though we're not in Rome, eat as much food as possible. Max and Moritz on the front, really, really good. It's a really good family coaster. Now we're going to go and do something we didn't do yesterday, which is the fairy tale forest. So if you watch this vlog but not the first one, you've got a little exclusive bit here for you. Try and get some shots and might add some photos in or something, but let's go and have a look. This thing is quite hyped up, so we're going to have a look.
Die dag hebben Wolf heitje Benjamin vervangen en
A few shots from Fairy Tale Forest there, and now we're heading on to Yolis. We're going to work our way back as we have got the show, Caro this evening, I think it's pronounced, up in the Efteling Theatre. Water or fire? Which one? Let's do fire. We'll do them both. Let's do them both. Back row rides on both water and fire of Yolis and the Drac. I wish we had a Woody at Thorpe Park, man. I want one so badly. I think I want that more than anything else. More than Max Spinner, more than an RMC. Well, actually, no, I'd like an RMC, but more than anything like a Max Spinner, a Max Striker, an Intamin. Woody, please, please, we need a Woody down south. So we're going to have our last ride of the day on Dance Macabre, but you can tell we're not on Dance Macabre. Basically, it's gone down, so we don't want to wait. We want to get on one more ride rather than waiting out and still potentially not getting on it. So we're going to end the day on Baron, the second best ride here at the park. Still not a bad way to end it. So over 2 hours after I filmed the last bit of this video, we've just got off Baron. I can't remember. I think we just got off Baron, and we sort of rushed down to the Efteling Theatre to watch Efteling Caro, I think it's called. Yeah. I'll be honest, if you've watched both of these vlogs and any Efteling videos in the future I do, you'll notice a pronunciation issue from me. That's just because I'm English. I don't really know how to say a lot of these things. But yeah, we went and watched the show that they do. I think at the moment it's off peak. I think it's every other night or once every 3 nights. During the peak summer period it might be more, but I would absolutely highly recommend, whether you come as a day guest or whether you, especially if you're staying in the hotel, because you do get discounted tickets, I'd highly recommend you doing it. It's not something that's particularly up my street as such. I still like theatre, but it's definitely not something that's more geared towards me. But this one over here, really loved it. It's her sort of thing, and you say it's probably one of the best shows of that sort of type that you've seen?
Yeah, it was very Cirque du Soleil,
Mhm.
very like wild and wacky sets, wild and wacky costumes.
It has the Efteling charm.
Don't
You can tell
watch
it's an Efteling production.
Don't watch it if you're emotional, because I cried so much. It's such like a heartwarming story.
There's one section that I really liked. I don't want to spoil any of it if any of you do want to go and see it, because I would recommend, as I said already, that you do go and see it. I don't want to spoil any of it, but there is one section that is very heavily linked to one of the rides here at the park.
Well, no, there's quite a few sections.
There's quite a few sections, but there's one section in particular that is linked to a very, very popular attraction at the park. And you can probably tell what it is if we're talking about music.
And I'm never going to listen to that piece of music.
But it's something that I will remember for a long time as one of my favourite bits of the show. Amelia, I think, was actually sobbing next to me as well. She likes to get emotional over these sort of things.
It's an emotional bit of the show.
But
really
no,
is.
such a really, really good show, and a really good way to wrap off, if you watch both of these vlogs, a really good way to wrap off these 2 days here at Efteling. We are back here tomorrow, and might be back here the day after just for the morning as well on our travel day, but I'm not going to be vlogging anymore. I will be recording some other bits of videos for other content that will be coming out from the park. Oh, we've gone really bright here. Should we try and turn it down? There we go. It's probably moved back into the, yep, see, it's changed it again straight away, the joys of my camera. But that's that's everything in terms of vlogs from the Efteling, from this trip this year. I'm sure we'll be back vlogging from this park. I don't know whether it's going to be in the near future. It probably won't be, because we'll be back here at some point. It's a really, really incredible park. It probably is going to be my #1 park now, going over to Disneyland California. I think it's a complete part of everything. There are a couple of things that I do wish they did have that even further bolster the roster, but that can come in another video if I decide to make something like that. But to be fair, this park is perfect pretty much as it is, but I'd love to see just them continue to build more stuff to the quality of like Dance Macabre, Baron, Yollis, like even Hollander today really, really impressed us as a water coaster and as a dark ride as well. But thank you so much for watching this video. I've been chatting for 3 minutes already. We were filming this at Baron, and we're almost back at the hotel gate now, which shows either how quick we walk or how far or how long I want to talk for. But if you did watch just this one, thank you so much for watching. It really does mean a lot. And if you watch both, thank you even more. It means so much as well. Did you enjoy? Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified when new videos come out. Thank you for joining me and Amelia from Efteling. That is all, and we will see you in the next video, which of us two will be from Alton Towers in just over a week's time. We'll say just over a week's time. Just over a week's time.
2 weeks in real life.
But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video from Alton Towers. Goodbye.
Oh,